Hello, this is Sinha YouTube channel. I am back for another valuable tutorial. In this video, I am going to talk about how to get watch hours on YouTube using your Android mobile phone. Before we proceed to the video, as you guys know, shout out to Mr. Farooq Ali and Lakshan Tamira. Thank you for your support. I always do a random shout out from my subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in my next video, you should subscribe, like, comment and share now. Let's jump into the video. First, go to Google Play Store and search there Multi-View Browser. Then click Install. This app is the multi-browser through which you can browse several sites at the same time on maximum 6 screens. After you download, open the application and just go to 3 dots right hand corner and click on Screen Sleep Off and Image Replacement and go to menu. Then you can see you have so many options. Let's try the all browser view first. Go to single view. This is how the single view look like. Second, let's try triple view. This is how the triple view look like. And go to 6 view. And just go to triple view again. And go to YouTube. Search your YouTube channel. Choose the video playlist that you want to watch. And do the same thing for other tab also. Now let's try 6 view. Just repeat what you did on first 3 tabs. Now you have to click the reload button to play all the video. Amazing, it's working properly. And if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to keep update on my future videos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.